What are you doing? What are you doing?
Egg.
What are you doing with
Peeled egg.
What are you doing?
Peeled egg.
Oh, peeling an egg?
Yeah.
Andrew, what are you doing?
Pickets. Egg.
Oh.
Pickets.
Peeling an egg?
Pickets.
Okay, let Mommy wash it. Mommy needs to wash it. Is yours ready, Andrew?
Yeah.
No, not yet. Peel it up some more.
Sorry, Mommy. Happy day, Mommy.
Was it Mommy's birthday?
Uh-oh.
What?
Blue.
Oh, Mommy had to pop the balloon?
Pop.
Why did I pop it?
I'm a blue.
We'll get another birthday on another balloon on birthday.
Uh-oh, blue. Uh-oh. Blue. Uh-oh, blue. Uh-oh. Playground.
Did you get the boo-boo at the playground?
Playground.
What are you eating? Is it spicy?
Spicy.
Spicy.
Mommy, spicy.
Spicy.
No spicy.
Not spicy?
No.
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 Did you play outside today?
They died. They choose.
And you ride your bikes?
Matthew.
Matthew? And we played with the balloons?
Side balloon. Side.
Outside?
Balloon. No. No balloon. Hey, fun gun.
Who's calling?